Welcome everyone. So today, as you all can see to the screen, that the thumbnail is how to get admission in Germany for masters. So today I'm going to explain like how we can get the admission without, and I'm talking about in the public university, not in the private. So let's start. So first, you all have to know like why are you going to Germany? Like there are many reasons. If I talk about study, then there are many subjects in the masters, especially in the science. And if you talk about the economics or maybe some managements. But since I recently completed my masters in physics, so I'm going to explain like how we can get the admission for the masters in physics in the public university. So let's start. So if you don't have any idea, don't worry. So we can go for that. So first we have to go to the Google tab bar that you can see on the screen. And the first thing we are going to do, just search mygermanuniversity.com. So let's wait a little bit. Yeah, so now on your screen you can see there is a one website which is called My German University. This is the official website through the German government. So here there are two options like what to study and where to study. So as we all know, where to study in Germany, but of course this is not talking about country. Here it's talk about which university. So first you have to select what study. So he there are many options, but as you all know, for the physics it falls in the natural science and mathematics. So we go for that, just click it. And then if you any specific subject you can select, but here I'm talking about physics, so I'm going to select physics. And then next, yes, so as we all can see that there are many options all for bachelor's and master's. Since our goal is master's, so just click on the master's. So there are 430 courses right now is available. So you can see on the screen that there are the different universities. So if I talk about the first university which we see on the screen, which is Technical University of Munich. The subject is biomedical engineering and medical physics. So I think we should go something non-technical, maybe some applied physics or something not related to engineering, more towards science. So let's wait. Let's see. No, this one, like, uh, as we all can see, this is Technical University Brunswick. So the name of the subject is quantum technology in electrical and computer engineering. So let's go for that. So if we click, you can choose according to you. So if you are able to see anything, if you're interested to any other courses, you can just select there. So when we click according to our choices, then we have a general information here. So first is requirement, application and admission, campus, and further. So just select on anything like general information. Okay. So this is the general information here. So the name of the course is this, and this falls in the Master of Science. Degree is MSc, and the credit is 120. So the main thing is the deadlines for the applications. So deadline for application is winter semester 15 July, summer semester 15 Jan. Right now it's in I'm making this video in October. So the deadline for this 15 January, the next deadline. So it is start in the both the semesters. So yes, and you can see that here free. It's a tuition fee is not no, I mean no tuition fee. So requirement for that previous degree, of course everyone has this degree, bachelor degree in electrical engineering, information technology, physics, no matter. I mean these three categories people easily can apply, and even computer science people also applied. So yes, language requirement English. I think everyone has at least this English. I mean, you can go for the TOEFL or IELTS courses. So yeah, of course you have a knowledge of all these. So now application and admission ticket. These are the both the deadlines again. So application are open from okay. And now for the non-EU people, it will be 1 December. Okay, so we have to wait for that. But that You can see all the information, like how the procedure or how the selection works. So you can see the mode of application. It's completely, I mean, online. You can fill the form and all these things. And the admission, you have to be prepared for interview and then complete it. And then application, you have to send it directly. I mean, maybe you guys have some confusion. Like, what do you mean directly at university? Some of the university has some middleman or middle organization, which we say that name is UniAssist. So you have to send the application or all the documents to the UniSys, then they will verify it, and then they will inform to the university. Then university uh, uh, or university, then it's up to university that they will select or you or not. So there are like middle organization which is UNICEF, but in this case, in this particular course or university, they are not required any middle organization. They, if you directly send to the all your documents and all your applications to the university, that's it, that's finished. And the application fees is 75 euro. That's for foreign applicants, that means us. So yes. And now further information, if you like, these are the all general information. But if you need like what kind of courses, which, like what the exactly courses and all the things in very detail, you can go for the course website. Okay. So yes. So the course name is Quantum Technology in Electrical and Computer Engineering. Okay, so okay, so like these are very like industry related courses, and as we all know that it's a quantum technology, electrical and computer engineering. It's completely engineering course, but with the natural science. So yeah, okay. So now this is about university. If you want to read about. Okay, okay. So this is like structures, like how you get like you will have the all these subjects like advanced quantum technology for engineers, introduction to quantum information theory and quantum computing. I mean, in advanced quantum technology for engineers, they will teach you like suppose there are many qubits or many quantum computers which made by the qubits. So like there are many types of qubit, like superconducting qubit, semiconductor qubit, or different types of qubit. So they will teach you the basics of the quantum computing, or or a theory about advanced quantum science and like quantum technology. It also contained a little bit quantum optics, little bit trapped ion, little bit superconducting qubit, and all these things. So I mean, it's a basic of all types of way to make the quantum computer. So these are the general idea of all these things. You will study introduction in quantum information theory. It's completely theoretical. I mean, it's like quantum gates, logic gates, and quantum states like density operators and quantum teleportation. It's from Nielsen Chauhan book. So yeah, it's easy. And quantum computing, they will teach you a little bit about Qiskit, so you have a more idea about software systems of quantum computer. And ambitious of electromagnetic field theory, it's a little bit hard. I mean, it's not that hard, but it's, for me, as compared to both the subject, it's hard. And now, elective, this is quantum structures device, quantum information processing, and quantum computing. It's kind of the same, but it's advanced. Then for 25 credit, it's a professionalization, industry internship, and master team project. That's a very good opportunity. And the seminar, and then last, and at the end you will have to defend your master thesis and get 30 credit points. And once you will give it, you will complete all the your master's credit points, and then you will complete your master degree. So my point is, these are like structure that I mean, you will study all these things. Okay, so if you go about here, like admission requirement applications, you can apply for if you have bachelor's degree in related field, which we already discussed, and we already discussed about English, we already discussed about bachelor's. Of course, the grades are matter. I mean, grades matters because if you have a good grades, then you have a higher chance. But it does not mean if you don't have good grades, you think that you cannot apply. But you should apply. I think there are many chances that you can easily select for there. So don't worry about it. Whatever you have, just apply it. Okay, just focus on your cover letter and your recommendation letter. That's important. And I would say if you have any bachelor thesis option, then focus on your bachelor thesis also. So then it will be, I mean, it will reflect on your selection. So yeah, and then more informations. Yeah, you can click go on that, and then there are many more options like how the degree works, for semester, English, and all the details. If you want to need, you can easily go there and easily select and easily read about that. So it's good. If you have any problem or any, if you want to ask any questions, you can also call that. But if you don't have ability to call, you can directly ask from there, and you can mail anytime, and they will reply soon. So don't worry. So yeah, this is the basic idea that how you can go or how you can apply for the public university. It's very easy, guy. It's very easy. I mean, it takes, I mean, if you're ready with your cover letter, if you're ready with your CV and some recommendation letter, then it's piece of cake. I mean, you just go to the it will open nearly about 1 December, and then after that you'll just go to the apply and just click on the apply. They will ask your information, very basic information, like what's your introduction, like name and surname and all these things. Where did you complete your master's, bachelor, or bachelor's at 12th, and that's it. And little bit about grades, and then you have to upload your all your documents such as cover letter, bachelor's transcripts, bachelor's degree if you have, and CV and recommendation letter, and that's it. That's it. And then you just relax. So yeah, but of course you have to pay 75 euro so for the complete of the whole application. So yeah, so that's the thing you have to do. I think this is the very, I mean, this time in this video, I just explained how to apply and for the public university in Germany, and that's very easy. I think if you have any questions, you can comment below, and also I will make the another video which I will try to explain in more details for the different universities. So if you have any question, you can just put in the comment. You can just write on the comment, and then I will definitely reply. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.